Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about some new breaking changes introduced by Reqres website APIs. So people who are following my Bruno playlist might be facing one missing API key issue while testing with the Reqres APIs. I will be showing the issue now. I have already opened Bruno. This is a collection which I have used in the playlist. The collection name is Reqres. If you use the create user post HTTP supported API, you will be getting a JSON response like this. So this is applicable for post, put, patch and delete. So in update user API also we are getting this particular response. So the error is missing API key and how to get one. So this is the link to get the API key. I will be showing that as well. This is a partial update. This is a patch 1. So here also we will be getting the same error response. In delete also we will be getting this issue. For get user you will not be seeing this issue. So you will be getting the response correctly in case of get API, but for post, put, patch and delete you might be coming across this particular issue. To solve the issue, what we have to do is that we have to add the API key, the headers. The API key value can be get from this link. So I have opened that URL as well. So this is the URL. Here you can see your free API key, and the documentation is saying that to add this header to your API request. So I am adding this header to the API request X API key. I am taking create user. In the headers tab, I am adding a new header. This is the header key. Now you have to give the value of that header. So the value is this one. Just copy it correctly and paste it in the value column. Save the request. Now send the request. This time you will be getting the correct response. You can see we have got the correct response. So instead of adding this header individually to each request, what you can do is that you can add this header in the collection setting so that it will be applicable to all the requests that requires this particular API key. I am deleting this particular header from the request and I am going to the collection settings. Click on these three dots. There is a settings option. Go to the headers tab. Just add the header. Header name is X API key. Just copy this correctly. Paste it here. Now copy the value. So this is the value. Paste in the value column. Save the collection settings. Now hit the create user request again. You can see that we have got the response correctly. Now I am hitting the put request. So we have got the response for put as well. Now hitting the patch one. For patch also we have got the response. Now I am hitting the delete. So in case of delete also we are getting the 204 status code. So all the APIs are working fine after adding the API key in the collection settings. This is a new change introduced by Reqres website. So if you are practicing API testing with the Reqres website, in order to make this APIs working, you have to make sure you are adding the API key value through headers. You can add in the collection settings in the headers tab so that header will be applicable to all the requests in the collection. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.